Hello and welcome to My Tech Studio. In this video, you will learn how you can increase or decrease the size of a single cell or row or the width of a single cell and a whole column. Let me select this row for you. Let me apply border so you can see it clearly. Let me apply some color so it will be more easily visible. Now select a single cell in this row, and in the Home tab we have the option of Format on the right side. In the Format option we have Row Height option. Select the Row Height option and change the value in this box. Enter the value according to your requirement and then click on OK. So you can see the height of the row is changed and it is increased now. Now let me tell you how you can increase the width of the column. You can increase the width of the column by selecting the whole column, or you can increase the width by doing it with a single cell. Let me select a single cell here. Go to the Format in Home tab. We have the column width option, and in this box you can change the value. After changing, click OK. So you can see the width of the column is increased. Now let me select the column, apply the border so it will be more clearly visible. Apply color, and now click in any cell. Go to the Format. In the column width, change the value. Enter the value according to your requirement and the width of the column is increased. Now if you want to decrease the width of the column, repeat the same process. Select any cell and then go to the Format option. In the Format option, we have column width. In the column width section, we have this box. Change the value in the box, click on OK. You can see the cell size is decreased. So it's how you can increase or decrease the cell size. Thanks for watching. Take care and goodbye.